What's up guys, my name is Joe, and in today's video I won't be needing these anymore because I have this. Okay guys, so imagine a scenario. You're going all around town, you need your sunglasses because it's a very bright day, and you put them on, you look snazzy, you look all cool and stuff, and then you have to look around your backpack, find your AirPods or whatever kind of speaker you're using, maybe some big bulky one that comes around your head, you put it in, your ear is occupied, and it's just a hassle unless you have these. These are called the ZUNGLE sunglasses. And now what they do is they play music. They play music in your head, or it goes through your head, through your bones, because it uses this bone conducting technology and it connects to your phone via Bluetooth. So, for one, they're incredibly stylish sunglasses. They look awesome, and they play music. They play whatever is on your phone, and it's like a 4 or 5 hour battery life. I've actually been to Hong Kong for 5 days straight, and I don't listen to much music, but with these I tend to, because they're not occupying your ears while you're going about your day. So even if you just have your sunglasses on top of your head, it still is touching, and you can still hear the music. So it's a really cool experience. Now these sunglasses are made from plastic, but they have a very cool style, very nice lenses. You can check out the description below because they are really good quality material and a very nice overall, overall style you have. I really like these glasses. The reason being is I don't really have to think about putting my earphones in, finding my earphones. This you always have with you. You just put it here. You have your earphones there. You take it out. You put it on. You play the music. I don't know if I've seen a simpler product in my life before. It just works. It's actually really loud, so I can hear it really good. And it's so weird because if I'm going on the street, I'm going out somewhere, and there's traffic, there are things happening, especially here in China. I've been to Shenzhen, where it's just crazy how people go about on their daily lives, and you need your ear. You need to listen to the noises of the street. While you're driving, you need your ear. You need to focus on the environment, but you need to also hear the music. So this is a great solution. I recommend it to everybody. If you're interested in this product, check the description down below. And thank you for watching today's video. My name was Joe. Until the next video, stay safe and hang loose.